I'm Christian Kyle Cabreros, and this is Understanding on Regulations 13 to 18 of Annex 2, pertain to a particular collection of regulations contained within a broader text or framework. It is difficult to give a thorough explanation of these regulations without a specific context or knowledge of the relevant legislation or framework. I can provide a broad knowledge of learning and comprehension in a regulatory framework. Though generally speaking, learning in the context of regulations refers to gaining knowledge or skills pertaining to particular requirements, norms, or processes described in the regulatory framework. It entails researching and grasping the specifics, ramifications, and obligations related to the regulations. Learning can involve receiving formal instruction, going to school, or making independent attempts to get familiar with the rules. On the other hand, understanding entails having a firm grasp of the ideas, values, and purposes that underlie the laws. It involves more than just recalling the laws and specifications, interpreting and appreciating the larger context in which the regulations purpose operates, as well as being aware of their underlying objectives are necessary for understanding them. This understanding enables people or organizations to apply the rules effectively and make decisions that are compliant with the rules. In conclusion, learning and understanding in the context of regulations entail knowing the precise requirements and rules, as well as understanding the motivation and intent behind such regulations. This makes it possible for people or organizations to abide by the rules and implement them properly in their particular fields of endeavor.